Hold on, babe.
The faucet want to be one of the best investments for them, huh?
You're okay, baby. You're okay. It's just one more minute, baby. I know it's a little bit cold, but I don't want to make your junk. Don't want to bake your junk. No. Come on, we're almost done. Let's just bring out your feet again. Come on, come here. Come here, baby. No, come on, baby. Come on, you're okay. Come on, you're done. You're done, good boy. My good boy, he's done. Yes, he is. He's a good man. He is. He's a good man, yes, he is. Come on. Come on, I know it. Come on, let me have your feet.
Happy feet, baby.
Okay, gosh, way done. Oh, I know. Just dropped you down between them all, didn't I?
Baby.
There you go. Kick it off, dude.
See me? I'm all
He's a good
done.
boy.
I'm nice
He's
and-
a good man.
I'm nice and clean now.
Here you go, dude. He's a good man. Yes, he is. That's all you get to one. You should have chewed it. Silver butt.
Pretty boy. Lily got her bath today.
So silver butt.
Do-do-do. Silver got her? Silver?
So silver butt.
She must have
She
been the
just didn't
first.
get groomed.
The first one, huh?
She just didn't get groomed, did ya?
Right.
Silver butt.
Their December baths.
Well, I'm thinking that might be all the ones I bathe.
Okay. Well, let's see. Because the other ones have been done like
I know Lil
last
stunk,
3 months.
and I know Bear stunk,
Right.
and I know that Willie didn't smell like a rose. But,
Polly.
yeah, well, Polly's not my responsibility, and Pooey is not my responsibility. So,
Mister.
didn't give Wags a bath since it kills my back to bathe them anymore, and my hands and my shoulder. I want to try to get through her, and if I can't get through her, I want to at least get some of them out of her. I may have to cut them out.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I don't want to shave her.
Yep.
She's clean.
Oh, I know.
That's the plus, right, baby? You're clean, huh?
Come
Come here, Silverbutt. Come here. I know. Oh, no, I'm not. Nope, I'm not. I promise. I'm not putting you back in the water. No.
What, TT?
No more bath for you.
Bear. Yeah.
No more bath for you, baby. You're okay.
Do.
My poor girl.
Right.
She just wanted to bathe. She tried to run away.
Did she? Sweet.
She tried to run. I scooped her up and caught her. I got her in the kitchen. She tried to run again.
Right.
She hid for the whole rest of the morning and half the afternoon.
Feel good now, baby? Feel good, huh? Feel good now?
You good boy? You're a good boy, aren't you? He's a good man.
All right. TT.
I don't feel any of them things on his tail, thank God.
All right, sweet.
Feel one on his back, though.
That's probably just
I'm hoping that's all it is.
too good. Like poos.
Who'd have thought you were that dirty? You look so much like...